Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ipsy. This is my glam bag for the month of November. Super cute little animal print. And let's just pull all this stuff out. Looks like we have... Okay, I thought that was another card. So, on top it says let's get festive. Looks like there's some Black Friday sales, some other information. And then a list of the products, which I love that they started doing that now. It's helpful for me because sometimes the products don't tell you much on the actual item itself. So it's nice to have a card to read more. So the first item is from It. This is Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Anti-Aging Armor. And I think the only thing I've tried from It Cosmetics is like their mascara, and I thought it was awesome, so... glad to have that. And it has little to no smell, which is nice as well. Kind of a weird little jar, how it doesn't really screw on. Oh, okay. Weird. It just kind of snaps on. Okay, so next item is Asante. So this is a lip gloss and doesn't say the shade unless it's on the card. Super Mom it says. I guess that's the shade of it. So real thick. I know I've gotten stuff from this brand before, I think in a similar shade. So that's nice. That's definitely a color I will wear. Also got Tattooed. This is waterproof eyeliner, and despite it having like a gold metallic cap, it actually says it's in the color Jet Black. So that's awesome. We'll go ahead and open that. And this is from Scone Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever heard of them, but looks like a nice eyeliner. Can never have enough eyeliner. And we have two more items in here. The next one says Mary Do Manizer Liquid Highlighting All Over Illuminator by the Balm. The Balm company has some really cute packaging for a lot of their other products, like their eyeshadows and bronzer that I've gotten before. So that is a new type of product that I have not tried. And the very last item is Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil by First Aid Beauty. They have some moisturizer that's like fantastic. This says it distresses, relieves, and nourishes. And it's safe for sensitive skin, which is what I have. Actually, their moisturizer is one of probably all or very few that don't break my skin out. I have really sensitive skin, so love that company. Can't wait to try that product. And here's a shot of the little cardigan with more information about all the products. So if you guys do not already subscribe to Ipsy, I love it. I've been subscribed for years, and I will put my promo code below in case you'd like to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.